Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings. Now I've gone through the collection that has built up now of parcels and I've picked out the ones that I'm not exactly sure what's inside. So this video is going to be interesting for me as well because I don't know exactly what I'm going to be unpackaging. So again, I don't really know what the title or the video thumbnail will be just yet until we get to the end of the video. I'm going to put them on the screen now so you can see what ones we're going to be doing. This one's, I've just noticed this one's already open, this one's already open, but I don't think I've actually looked at the contents inside, so we'll have a look at that one in a minute. And I've also got one here that I believe is from Cider Soundman because I recognise his handwriting, but he hasn't told me what he's sent across, so I'm looking forward to opening all three of these in today's video. So let's get straight into it. Let's have a little look at this one that's already open first and see if we can work out why it's already open. The actual coin inside is still sealed, or bar, could be a bar. So that's interesting. I'm not exactly sure why it's open though. Okay, right, let's find out what we've got in here then. I'm not exactly sure why it was open. Maybe I opened it to take out an invoice, I'm not too sure. But either way, we're going to find out now what we have got. Right, okay, this is a coin and a flip. This is a, look at that, a cooker buried. Now I can't remember exactly who I picked this up from. I believe this was picked up from someone in Stacker Social. Do let me know in the comments section if this was you that I brought this from, because I can't actually recall who was selling this now, because some of these parcels I've had for over 3 weeks. But really, really cool. 3 nines fine silver. I don't think I actually own this yet in my collection, and the reason I brought this is to go inside my Kookaburra box that I'm collecting, the date run. I thought it'd be quite cool to have a cooker buried in there in the mix, although it's not from the Perth Mint. It's a knockoff kind of version of the Kookaburra. It's still a very iconic coin, and many of you watching this video would have heard of this series. Really, really nice. And I'll have to get that in a capsule, and like I said, I'll get that in the Kookaburra box next time I go into storage and get that out. So that's the first unboxing. The next one, again, I don't know what we've got in here. It's full to the brim though, with whatever it is. These are capsules that I picked up from X20 over on Stacker Social. Now I've said it many times before, if you're looking for cheap silver, cheap gold, head over to Stacker Social and have a look on the marketplace. But also, if you're looking for capsules, there's also quite a lot of different capsules available as well for sale over on Stacker Social. So these ones in particular fit the Beska bars. Now many of you will know that the Beska bars are extremely hard to find capsules for, because there wasn't actually any official released Beska bar capsules in the market. So a lot of people have been using oversized capsules with 3D printed spaces in them, whereas these ones actually fit them really nice. There's a little tiny sliver of space either side when they go in, but in terms of like top to bottom, they fit in these capsules really, really nicely. So I actually grabbed these, like I said, from X20 over on Stacker Social Marketplace. Really pleased I did, because although at the moment I've only got a couple of Beska bars, in the future I thought it'd be quite handy to be able to help other people in the community if they're looking for Beska bar capsules. So I decided to grab a few, put them into storage, and then in a couple of years time, if people are reaching out, at the moment, like I said, you can get them from X20, but in the future, if people are reaching out and they need one, then at least I've got a couple that I can help people with. So that's really cool. And the third and final unboxing, and like I said, I believe this is from Cider Soundman, but I'm not exactly sure what is inside. Really nicely packaged. And let's see what we have got here. I'm trying to get the knife in. Don't want to damage it. There we go. Let's go down the side there. see if we can open it that way. Nope, that hasn't really helped. Should go through now. What is this? Right, okay, let's read the note first. I love size notes, they're absolutely brilliant. Look at that. So it says, Dear 365, I hope you're well. Please find enclosed an absolute beauty of a coin / round. I hope you love this piece as much as I do. All the very best, Cy the Sound Man. 2024 Buffalo Girl. Look at that. I love how he does this with the coins. He actually does this in his book that he's got, where he documents all of his stack that he's able to pass on to future generations when they come to liquidate his stack. And it's a really cool way of visually showing what coins he's talking about in his book. So yeah, really cool. And I've seen Cy do that many times with coins, and it's a really quick and simple, clever way of putting the coin in the book without actually having to take a photo and print it off and stick it in. But this is absolutely stunning. Now, when Cy first messaged me about this coin, or should I say round, that he had found and said, would I be interested in grabbing one, I was like, sign me up, because this looks absolutely stunning. And it's not something I've seen showcased on any channels at the moment. So really good find, Cy. Absolutely stunning. Look at the buffalo / bison / hairy cow on this side. Really, really nice. We can zoom into the privy mark. Is it going to let us focus on that? No, I don't think it is. No, a little bit too small to focus on that. Let me have a little look around the camera. And it just says Scottsdale Mint. Really, really hard to see on camera, but it just says Scottsdale Mint, because this is actually from Scottsdale Mint, which is really, really cool, because as you know, Scottsdale Mint is my favourite mint. They make some extremely high quality pieces of silver, and they actually made one of my favourite, if not my favourite 10-ounce bar, which are the 10-ounce Scottsdale Mint stackable bars. So really, really stunning round. Thank you very much, Cy, for finding this for me and reaching out. Again, I need to find a capsule as well to pop this in. But this is probably going to end up over there on my backdrop, because it's a really, really stunning piece of silver. So thank you very much, Cy. I completely forgot about that. So that was a really, really nice surprise. But I think we're going to wrap the video up there, because I don't want to unbox too many things in today's video, because I want to save some for a future video. But massive thank you for everyone that's watched. I really, really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments section if you have seen this round before, and if you've heard about the Kookaburra series. I'll be very interested to hear. But as always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.